started my business, trust me, I was having tons of the ideas, tons of the notes, tons of the to-do things with me, tons of the things in my bucket list every day it was having. But how to do that? How to implement all these things together? Okay, it was kind of overwhelming thing for me. So what I did, I have crafted all the ideas togetherly. I have created a one roadmap, okay, where I have landed up all my ideas on that roadmap, step by step, systematically, one by one, okay. And then trust me, it was a game changing plan for me and for my business. Yes, I helped a lot of people for crafting this roadmap, crafting this journey. I am using that formula to craft the complete business goals. It seems to be like, hey, I have a business. Why should I set business goals for my business? But trust me, business goals should be there. Without the goal, you cannot lead the business. You should have a business goals. You should have the strategies. You should have your mission statements, your vision statements. You should have your value propositions. You have to find your audiences, where you need to reach out, what their problems are, why your audience will come to you, why they will buy the products from you, what the problems you are solving. Okay, you need to do all the research because you are the business owner. You are leading the business. Okay, so you can guide your audience very well. They are trusting you. So don't worry. Even though when I was starting my business, I was having tons of the idea, and I was in the same situation like you. I got overwhelmed. You're watching this video, it means you need a proper direction, proper roadmap to guide transform your business from scratch. So in this video, I'm going to share a game-changing template with you people, which is really, really very useful for me. And I had crafted a clearer goal for my business, so I know like what I'm doing, what problems I'm solving, for whom I'm solving, and why I'm doing it actually. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the complete game-changing template with you people. It's just a simple template. It's just in a PDF copy I would share with you. In the description box, you are going to find the link of that. And what you need to do, you just have to read it. You just have to fill in the blanks. Write your just businesses, what you're doing, who is your audience, and what exactly you're offering. That's it. It's that simple and that's easy. It's not a complex task. It seems to be like, why should I do it? It seems to be like, yes, I can understand, but trust me, if you will do it, it is a one-time task. If you will do it today, tomorrow you're going to save, because every business or every project, every task, whatever you are doing, it should be aligned. It should have a clearer goal and the transparency, like what exactly you are doing, okay, and what the goals are, what is the deadline to complete that particular project or particular task. It should be there. Otherwise, things are going to be overwhelmed, and trust me, you cannot do anything. So I have crafted a template for you, which is going to solve the problem of yours. If you want a copy of that, check in the description box. I would provide you the PDF access of it. Okay, so are you ready? So let's get started to craft your business vision together with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it. Okay, subscribe it now, like my video, and share the video with anyone. So without any delay, let's get started to the template. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you the craft your business vision purpose within a time of 10 minutes. And of course, I'm going to provide this complete template copy for you in the description box. You can find it. And meanwhile, just go through that. So first of all, you need to craft your why and big vision clarity template. So this is a template format. If you are a new business owner or someone who really wants to grow your business, then the first thing, you need to find the purpose. The purpose, it can say why I started this business. So you need to write, I started this business because I'm passionate about dash. Write about your passion here. I believe that dash needs to be solved or made easier or improved. I want to help dash your ideal audience to dash transformation. Okay, so
This is amazing. So you can use these type of template statements. You can copy all them. You can paste into the chat gpt, and chat gpt is going to guide you very well. Chat gpt is going to find the better purpose for your business. Next, this can be the your prompt for the ChatGPT as well. Yes, and you can use as it is the prompt in the ChatGPT. Okay, to find your purpose, vision, and the financial goals. Of course, everything. So next is the to find a big vision. It's a long term dream. Okay, so in the next suppose 5 years or 10 years, I envision building a business that dash I want to impact the lives of dash people by providing dash. My dream is a become a leading dash industry or role known for dash. Just trust me, you just write these big vision statements, create them. After that, you can revamp them and you can add all this vision into your brochures or make it for yourself at least first and then make it publicly available for everyone so that you would be having your long term dream in front of you. So you can use this as a prompt as in ChatGPT. Okay, uh, third is your financial goals, of course, and this is what every business owners are doing the mistake. They don't find their financial goals at start. They just start the business. They don't have the clarity vision for their goals, especially the financial goals, and that's where they stuck up everywhere. So this should be the prompt for the ChatGPT. In the first year, I aim to generate dash revenue. My monthly income goal is example by month, or the yearly goal also you can craft. I want to reinvest dash back into my business every quarter for growth. My long-term financial goals is to earn dash per year with profit margins of dash. Okay, so this type of very specified clearly financial goals would be there for your business. Next is the core values that will guide your business. Okay, so now you need to find the three core values for your business. Like I will always prioritize these values in my business: integrity, innovation, customer first approach. So copy this prompt in the chat gpt and tell him to the craft the core values for your business, and see the transformation, how amazingly ChatGPT will answer to your core values, right? Next, the business value proposition. These are the proposition statement what you need to craft that I help your target audience who are struggling with their pain point by providing your solution or service so they can dash benefit or results unlike others. I dash your unique edge, right? So this is the value proposition statement for your business, and this is the 5 lines. You can use these as in a Instagram bio for more conversions, or you can use it in any kind of profiling. The small about you statement should be there. Okay, so you can use this your value proposition statement. Example here, I crafted this value proposition for me. I help some business owners who are struggling with content creation by providing AI powered templates and strategy kits so they can save time, post consistently, and grow their brand with confidence. Unlike others, I combine tech tools, creative strategy, and support community. Okay, so like this, you can create the 5 core of your business, which is the purpose, the vision, the financial goals, the core values, and the value proposition at last. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more and more videos like that. And this is the business plan template. You will get it in the description box. So click on the description box, download the template, copy all these prompts for you, paste them into the chat GPT, and see the transformation in your business. Thank you for watching this video till end.